In this video, we'll look at the options you have in terms of creating your first landing page. You could simply build the pages in something like WordPress and add them to your existing site using your regular web page builder. However, many businesses prefer not to add dozens or hundreds of additional marketing pages to their website, especially if they don't plan on running a particular marketing campaign forever. Also, you do need to have a fairly competent level of design and coding skills. So if you haven't, it may prove a little overwhelming, not to say also really time consuming. There are loads of alternatives to the DIY route of making landing pages, so we'll have a quick gallop through a couple of them with a glance at the features and benefits of each. First up is Unbounce. This is a paid for platform that starts at around $80 a month as a subscription. It has a really well designed drag and drop interface, making it very easy to get started for newbies. That means you can click and drag page elements such as text, images and forms, arranging them as you want, but with the power to edit and alter later on. The pages created by Unbounce are responsive, i.e. they're mobile friendly. This is a massive ranking factor on Google, but quite honestly, the amount of mobile browsing going on these days is skyrocketing, so having a page that is not mobile friendly would seem massively counterproductive. Creating forms is also really easy and customizable with Unbounce, again with click and drag usability, making them really easy to design. Also, the platform offers the ability to A/B test. What does that mean? Well, it's unlikely that you will create an Uber converting wonder page first off. Like anything, creating landing pages takes practice. A/B testing functionality allows you to swap out and alter bits of a page across a number of slightly different but broadly similar pages that you can easily duplicate. What that does is it gives you the ability to really hone your skills as a landing page creator, as you can isolate individual parts of your pages that are converting well by doing structured and methodical A/B testing over time. It might be, for example, that certain images convert better than others, or one bit of copy outperforms another. With A/B testing, you have the functionality at your fingertips to be able to understand and gather data on this as your experience as a landing page creator grows. If you don't want to design a page from scratch, then Unbounce has a range of templates that you can adapt. And as you'd expect with a platform like this, where data is really at the heart of what you're doing, Unbounce offers analytics too. Unbounce is, as I said, a paid service, but it does have a 14-day trial period, so you can get started for free. Now, Leadpages is another well-known platform for the creation of landing pages. Like Unbounce, it's a paid-for service, but starts at around $25 per month. It too is well designed and features an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder. They also offer templates, some of which are paid for as an extra, but the difference here is that you can filter the designs based on the conversion rate. So that could give you a really useful helping hand, especially at the beginning of your landing page creating journey. Also, Leadpages offers analytics, as well as the functionality to split test and create A/B versions of your pages. If you want to take Leadpages for a test drive, you can do so. They've also got a 14-day free trial period. In terms of choosing which one of these platforms would best meet your needs, just check out reviews on YouTube, and also have a look at the websites for Unbounce and Leadpages for more details. Listen, I hope this video's helped. Let me know what you think in the comments below. It'd be great to hear from you. Take care and see you soon.